Everybody knows I'm down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I'm mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. Feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what I decide, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. All these thoughts keep me up. Can't think straight, need the light. I know the sheets under my feet. Another cup of coffee in me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Hey, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I needed just a better education to understand a world that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's faded. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created. I have dreams where my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. What am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. Yo. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. What am I doing? Did I do it right? Keep me up at night. Yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. I don't really think I understand this world now. Got my hands in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shit, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life. Hey, there's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud. Talk bad thoughts, hating others cause you know that they got a lot. Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Oh, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, hey? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I okay, hey? Stay up, late nights, still in pain.
Kan vụt luồng tin yêu con hậu.
A few moments later.
Mình nốc cáp numero sila thầy